Materials we're going to use are a lighter or a torch, some needle nose pliers, and a cutting tool. And we'll be using 2.5 feet of red paracord, 8.5 feet of this green paracord. What I'm going to do first is make this loop. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this green one around it, have it like this, take these two ends through like that, right? Then I'm going to bring it through the back. Try to keep it nice, keep all the bunches out. So you got something that looks like this. I gotta get my loop back. I lost my loop. Okay, there we go. Need about a 1/2 inch. Alright, we got our loop started. Okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this on this little hook to hold my bracelet still. Okay, I have my center strands connected to 2 hooks on this jig. This is going to be a buckleless or a bracelet without a buckle. Take this left cord, put it under the first one, and bring it over the second center strand. And this one will always be the one going under and over throughout this whole bracelet design. And I'm going to take this one, bring it over there, under the 2 center ones, and through this loop on the side. And we tighten. And we just do the same thing. I'm going to do it a few more times so you see the pattern. Then I'm going to finish this bracelet so you can see the end result. And if you want to do something to help you remember which one goes under and over, you can put a knot maybe on that on a string to help you remember. And I'm not going to do this whole bracelet because I know your time is valuable, and I believe that once you get the basic pattern down, you'll be able to complete it yourself. Okay? Alright, I think you see the pattern that is developing. I'll be back with most of this bracelet complete, and I'll show you how to finish it up. Alright? Okay, I'm back. I got this bracelet pretty much done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a cobra hitch to tie it off. Cobra stitch. Cobra knot. Do this real tight. Okay, now I'm going to clip and burn the ends. Alright, I'm going to use a lighter. Here we go. About 2 seconds. I'm going to press down. Okay, that's not bad. Can't believe my torch died. And I'm going to clip this side. Lighters don't burn as good, but they're still like pretty dependable compared to a whole bunch of other stuff. I guess the more complicated you get, the more chance for something to go wrong increases. That's not too bad. Alright, we're going to do just a regular overhand knot for this. Try to keep these close and uniform. Okay? So we're going to try to keep these aligned and together as we pull them through. Okay? Alright, I finally got it down to about the length that I want, which is about 7.5. And that's how tight I want it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut these off and singe them. Okay? You can cut one of them off at a time or both of them off at a time and singe them together. It's up to you. Since my equipment's been faulty today, I'm just going to do one at a time. Use something to flatten it out. Let me do the other one. Cut that a little bit closer. And it's okay if it's frayed out like that, because that actually burns better. Get your flattening tool and flatten that out. Oh, one thing I forgot, sometimes I leave a little tab or string of that hanging out because it's easier to pull it through the hole. But if you get it through, you can get it if you push it through a little bit. And when you're done, you can straighten this out a little bit, but there you go. All right, thanks for watching. This is William from Paracrod Discs, and stay tuned for your bonus tip.
Hey folks, thanks for staying to the end of this video for this bonus tip. I want to help you get started in profiting from your Paracrod craft items and knowledge by connecting you with your free instant access to my How to Triple Your Paracrod Profits online. Grab yours by visiting www.paracrodprofits.com. You'll get instant access to the amazing secret a homeless man used to triple his profits, allowing him to move out of a shelter and live life on his own terms without paying for an internet connection. Brought to you by William Slace, dedicated to helping you unleash and cash in on your Paracrod knowledge. Thanks for watching.